Struggling to lose belly fat while juggling a busy schedule? Don't worry, you're not alone. The good news is that with the right food choices and strategies, you can burn belly fat and feel amazing. I'll walk you through the best foods to include in your diet, the ones to avoid, and how to stick to a routine even if you're short on time. These tips are perfect for busy professionals and fitness enthusiasts alike. Let's start with what to eat. The key is focusing on nutrient-dense foods that keep you full, boost your metabolism, and provide long-lasting energy. High-protein foods like lean meats, fish, eggs, tofu, and Greek yogurt are excellent choices. Protein not only keeps you full longer, but also helps build muscle, which burns more calories even at rest. Fiber-rich foods like oats, quinoa, fruits, vegetables, and legumes are your best friends. Fiber aids digestion, reduces bloating, and stabilizes blood sugar levels. Don't shy away from healthy fats like avocado, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These healthy fats regulate your hormones and help curb cravings. Instead of sugary drinks, go for lemon water, green tea, or infused water with cucumber and mint. These not only keep you hydrated, but also aid digestion and reduce bloating. Start your day with a high-protein breakfast like eggs and avocado on whole grain toast to kickstart your metabolism. Now let's look at what to cut back on, or better yet, avoid entirely. Processed sugars like soda, candy, and pastries cause insulin spikes, leading to fat storage, especially in the belly. Swap soda with sparkling water or herbal tea. Refined carbs like white bread, pasta, and rice can spike your blood sugar and leave you hungry soon after. Replace them with whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, or sweet potatoes. We all enjoy a drink now and then, but sugary cocktails and beer are packed with empty calories. Stick to moderation and opt for lighter choices like dry wine or vodka soda. If you're dining out, check menus for grilled or steamed options and skip the bread basket. Diet is essential, but small lifestyle tweaks can make a big difference in losing belly fat. Eat smaller, balanced meals every 3 to 4 hours to stabilize blood sugar. Or try intermittent fasting, like the 16-8 schedule, where you eat all your meals within an 8-hour window. Drink a glass of water before meals to control your appetite and stay hydrated. Stress increases cortisol, a hormone linked to belly fat. Take just 5 minutes a day to practice deep breathing, yoga, or meditation. Even a quick walk can help lower stress. If you're short on time, here are ways to stay on track. Dedicate 1 day a week to prepping your meals. Cook proteins, chop veggies, and portion out snacks so you have healthy options ready to grab and go. Keep nuts, protein bars, or fruits in your bag so you're not tempted by unhealthy options. If you're dining out, look for grilled proteins, leafy greens, and ask for dressings or sauces on the side. Small choices like these add up. Set reminders on your phone to drink water or take short walking breaks during work. These small actions make a big impact. Remember, losing belly fat isn't about quick fixes. It's about making small, sustainable changes to your diet and lifestyle that add up over time. If you found these tips helpful, share this video with someone who's on their health journey. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more natural health care and wellness.